Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to sort your Instagram highlights from newest to oldest, you're not alone. Instagram's interface can sometimes feel a bit cluttered, but finding the right way to organize your saved story collections is actually pretty straightforward, once you know where to look. Today, I'll walk you through every step so you can keep your profile tidy and showcase your best moments in the order that makes sense for you. First, open up your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You'll land on your main grid, where all your posts are shown. From here, look up at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three-line menu button. That's your gateway to more options. This little icon is your best friend when you want to dig into what you've been up to on Instagram. Once you tap into that menu, you'll see a list of choices. Scroll down until you find Your Activity. Tap that, and you'll open up a whole new section dedicated to your Instagram history and content. It's here that you can get a detailed look at all the things you've posted, liked, and saved. Now, look for the option labeled Highlights under the Content You Shared section. Highlights are those circles at the top of your profile that keep your favorite stories alive, long after they've disappeared from your regular story feed. Tap on Highlights, and you'll see all your saved collections listed out. Here's where it gets interesting. At the top of your highlights list, you'll notice a filter or sort icon. It usually looks like a funnel or a couple of lines with dots. Tap that icon and a little menu will pop up. This is where you can choose how to organize your highlights. Select the option that says Newest to Oldest. And just like that, your highlights will be reordered, putting your most recent collections first. And there you have it. Now, whenever you want to show off your latest adventures or updates, your highlights will always be in perfect order. No more scrolling to find something you posted last month. Everything will be right where you need it. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.